talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Audiomack app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above your photo profile, click on it. When you just click here on photo profile, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on notifications, just click on it here. You come to next step here, then you go down, just come here to verified playlist ads, just click here in this sign. Then like you see this color show for us, that's mean here verified playlist ads notifications enabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.